Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Carly Locks. Last day I have already done the 2 questions. Another classes I have done the another questions are there. Okay. অরিত্র ঘোষ, অর্পণ দাস, অস্মি পাল, অস্মিত মণ্ডল, দেবপ্রিয়া মুখার্জি, দেবস্মিতা মাঝি, হৃদি পাজা, কৌশিক ঘোষ, কৃতিকা পাল, লিজা খাতুন. Okay. So today, please everybody mute your microphone. Carly Locks, the third questions I will write. Please mute your microphone, please. Who are not muting? Orpon. Debopriya Mukherjee. Ayush Pal. Kritika Pal. So today the third question I will write. Okay. The third questions. Why did she eat up all the porridge? Why did she? Only question number 3 I am writing. Why did? Answer I am writing. Please write the answer. Question number 3. Answer I am writing. Why did she eat up all the porridge from baby bear's bowl? Okay. Why? She ate up all the porridge from baby bears from all the porridge from baby bears bowl because it was perfect for her. Okay. Question number so perfect page number 100. Okay. Beta Ashmit 100. So number 4 I am writing. Only answer I am writing. Whose bed did Carly Locks sleep and why? Carly Locks. Last day I have written the 2 questions answer from here and 2 question answers and another 2 question answer I am just writing. Whose bed did Carly Locks sleep in and why? Carly Locks slept in baby bear's bed because it was perfect for her. It is also same answer. Okay. So please do these things. And one thing, today I will give you a project. Okay. You will prepare the project and whenever after December, whenever we will tell, that time you should submit. But sometime December's vacation will be there, that time you should prepare. I am just telling this in your grammar book, the composition page, that national flag is there. We should, national flag is there, we should draw national flag, and besides that we should write 6 or 7 lines, okay, about this. Again I am just telling that, again I will write in my e-portal. Now also I am just telling about, project is about our national flag. About our national flag. In our grammar book it is there, but you should do in a scrapbook or in a art paper, okay. Chart paper you can do. Here I am writing just first question, I am just rubbing this, and about the project I am just telling English project. English project. English project. Draw an Indian flag Okay, let me see. Okay, beta. You cannot see. Okay, let me see. But here I am writing, there I can see that. You can see that. Here, no, that is the proper. Okay, let me see. Draw an Indian flag. Sound is not clear. They are telling that. Indian flag. Color it. Yes, color it. And we are trying. And write 10 lines about it. I am just giving some introduction, okay? I am just, listen to me. Am I clear to you? My voice? Okay, thank you, beta. And after that, it is in grammar book, page number, okay, thank you, sir. Page number 86. Page number 86, grammar book, okay? And here, just, I am giving some example how you will write. 3 colors. I am just giving some 3 colors. Which color symbolizes? Like this saffron. Saffron sacrifices. Symbolizes sacrifice. Saffron green and white. White purity. And also green, youthness and chivalry. Youth and chivalry. Chivalry means that moral senses. So these 3 colors symbolizes these things. And also, yes, you should do like this, but you should do in a white chart paper, write about 7 lines. I am just giving heading, and 3 lines symbolizes like this. And also we should respect Wheel, how many spokes are there? 24 spokes are there. Wheel's color say blue. So all this you should write. This is your project. Chart paper you should write very nicely. You should draw it. Okay? And also page number I told 86. Grammar book. But you should write your own language. I am just giving some things, and also please do like this. Okay? And also e-portal again I will write. That is your English project. Now we can go to the again textbook. Page number 100. Here some questions are there. Some questions are there that have you ever seen a forest? What did you see there? There you can write, yes, I have seen a forest. If you see, obviously last year Ramnabagan you have gone, no? That is also a forest. Reserve forest is there. What did you see? Many animals you can see. I have seen that bear, tiger, all these things. Next, there is a plate sweets lying on the table. There is a plate, okay, lying on the table. You want to eat some sweets. What will you do? Obviously, nowadays you should wash your hands, clean your hands properly. Devapriya, close your just front camera. And after that, you should eat some sweets, not many sweets. Few things that you eat from the bowl. What do you call bowl in your language? Okay, that will be going in your YouTube class, beta. Then you can see, and e-portal also I have given. I will give. Okay? E-portal also I will give. No need to any problem. Here, page number 101. There also, they have given the Papa bear, Mama bear, and Baby bear. Okay? And here, page number 102, write 5 lines about your family. 5 lines about your family. So there, 5 lines about your family means how many members are there in your family. And my family, you have to write it. This is your homework. I am just telling that first you have to write I am. Next, there are 6 or 7. 102 beta. I told curly locks. There are 4 members or 3 members or 6 members in our family. Members in our family. Then after that, who are they? My father, mother, they are my father, mother, like this. They are my parents, grandparents if you are having, and your sister, or those who are having, you can like this, grandparents, sister or brothers, like this you can write. After that, 5 lines, no, 3 lines already. My father is a, whatever you are having, that, Kaushik, you have written that, I know that. What is your father? What is your mother? Mother is a housewife, father is a serviceman, and anything you can write. Okay? These 4 or 5 lines I have already written. There are my parents, grandparents, sisters, or brother. Then also you can write, or if you are not having sister or brother, you can write, I am the only child. My father is a serviceman. My mother is a housewife. I love my family very much. These 5 lines very nicely you can write. I am not doing like this because I can just rub it, and you will write. Try to write. No need to take help from your parents. Please write by yourself. A sailor went to sea. See and tell. Make sentence. See. I like to travel. Seaside area or seaside. Travel in seaside. See. S-E-E. See means just we can look. I like to see forest. Next, till and tell. Tell. The monkey has a long tail. Then tell. My grandmother tells me a nice tale. Tale means story. Okay? So that is the thing. So after that, the baby bear for the wake dinner without things wrong place. A ball is in. Write about all the things kept in the wrong place. Now 103, page number 103, please try to do it. What else do you see in the picture? A ball is in baby bear's plate or papa bear's plate. A flower, mama bear's plate. A plant, baby bear's chair. So what is this? It is wrong or right? Can you think? Next day I will do. Okay, beta? Thank you. Have a nice day. Just give your present. Okay? Write P.